So I've been getting asked a lot of questions about how to update the software on various Hyundai vehicles. It's super easy. You just go to the website, you can Google it. I just literally typed in Hyundai software update and then brings you to this website, navigation updates. And you can scroll down and kind of see what it looks like. It says prepare for update, navigation updater, download. It's got all the instructions, super easy. So you prepare for the update. Basically, short of the long is you need a USB stick if you have one of the newer Hyundais. You download the software, and it says for Windows or for Mac. When you download the software, you basically just type in what your Hyundai vehicle is, and then you'll get this little doodad right there. It says what it is, or that's the navigation updater. So just double click it, and yeah, typical thing. And then when it finally opens, I got a super slow computer. It'll log you in. You're gonna have to use your login or whatever. Just come over here and you can pick whatever your vehicle is. I've got a 21 Veloster, and then I also have an Ioniq 5. So depending on which one you have, or you can even come over here and you can type in your software model name, and then you pull that directly off of the car itself. But basically, you type in whatever it is that you have. So the Veloster just had a huge update. So just come over here, you hit OK. And then basically what's going to happen is it's going to store it to your computer first, and then it'll move it from your computer to your USB thumb drive. Now make sure that you have enough space. You can see right here, my hard drive is total about 118 capacity, about 73 left. But even though the data file is only 35 gigs, it needs 60 gigs to actually store it. So, I mean, I don't know why Hyundai's got to do it like that, but whatever. But basically all you do is you say, yep, this is what I want to do. You hit next. And then it's going to verify where you want it to go. Just, yep, fine, whatever. Hit OK. And then there you go. And these are huge updates. So it takes a long time. But it'll tell you the roundabout instructions on how to do it. And then when it's all done, you just move it to a simple thumb drive. Now, the one thing I found out is that if you have a newer Hyundai, like 2020, 2021, and 2022, you need a thumb drive that's about 128 gigs, or somewhere about that parts. Like it's like you need a huge thumb drive. This one right here is a 32 gig. It wouldn't even fit on this one. So I have a Samsung 128 gig that it fit on, no big deal, but this is just for, just a show. But basically once it's done downloading here, pop in the thumb drive, say transfer it to the thumb drive, and then we go and we put this in the car. All right, and then once the update has downloaded, just hop in your car. And then again, if you have a newer one, sorry, that's hard to see. There's the USB port right there. So if you've got the Android Auto ones, that's what you do, is you basically just pop the USB drive into there. Pop it into there, you turn your car on. And now I don't actually have it on there, and so you can see it says no supported files. But if you pop it in there and then you hit the on button to turn the car on, you don't actually need to turn it on, just, or like turn it over, but you just hit it over here, just turn it on, and it'll say need to update it, or would you like to update it? And then you get two different options. You get one option to say update in the background, or update, and then another one that says update now. And basically all you have to do is you can pick one or the other. If you say update in the background, it makes everything slow. You can still drive the car. I just opt to say update now, and then you can actually turn the vehicle off, and then it'll just update in the background. Now, another way to do it, which I think Hyundai says to kind of do it as well, is you come over here and then you go to setup, and then you come under general, and then you hit down here, it says update, and then you can hit the update button. This is going to say that it's got no supported files. If it's even going to go through, it won't even go through. But this is how you figure out what your software version is. And so you can see this one is 2022 May. So 05 is May, 04 is May 4th. So yeah, pretty easy. But again, just make sure you have a large enough thumb drive and you've got plenty of time, because these updates do take a long time. So that's why I just opt to have it done right away when I'm at home and I'm not going to be driving the vehicle. I just pop it in there and let it do its thing. But then yeah, once it updates, then you're good to go. This is the Ioniq 5. It just recently had an update over here. I can show the Veloster. So on the Veloster, it recently just had a really big update. So again, same thing. Got the little USB port right there. You just pop it in there. It's like super annoying. Then it comes over here, and then now you can see the update. So see, icons look different. The radio, you no longer have the tubes. I kind of like the tubes, but people were like saying that they didn't like it. Oops. But see, tubes are gone. The old school tubes are gone, and now you just have all the channel listings. I do like how the channel listings are over here. There's a couple other things that they changed over here. Like I said, all that stuff. They added some features. Now you have like the actual, like they changed the icon over there. Supposedly they were supposed to be adding the tracks, so that way you could go to the tracks or whatever, and then it would have it already loaded. But yeah, you can see it changed a lot of things on here. It's definitely a little bit quicker too, I noticed. But yeah, again, super easy. If you got any questions, put them in the comments.